morning, very early morning, can you tell? Anyway, we're gonna go see Coppy's new house. It looks amazing. It's my first time I've seen it since it finally got constructed while I was away. Wow, man.
Wow.
It's huge. That is way bigger.
Yeah, way bigger, boy.
Yes, sir. Man. Tell me about your new place.
It's way bigger, sir. What do you think, Mante?
Moa.
About this.
Oh. Well, yo, tell me a little bit more about the house. So,
The house bigger.
and you and Sparrow, how long did it take you to construct it?
You know something, you know? Power too slow. You can't work it.
Well, he's always working up in the farms. It's hard to get him down here full time, right?
Yeah, it's too slow.
We saw him up on the yard last night, but...
Yeah, I'll paint this.
Paint again?
The look. This. The
Yeah.
door.
Uh-huh.
The door, man. I'll paint it, you know.
Cool.
Now I'll paint the door.
So when I last saw you and we filmed, there was kind of the track guiding
Yeah.
the frame of the new house, but you made that even bigger, right?
Yeah.
It looks way bigger than even that. Like if we step back, yeah,
Yep.
whole different size. Yeah, good on you. Why not step it up? And then I see you got the shutters the same as MOKKO here. And Coppy, the last time the roof was the problem, right? Like you were leaking or whatever. So the zinc up top, that worked out. Yeah, we were thinking about reordering the zinc because maybe we didn't get a thick enough grade or whatever it's called. But yeah, it appears to be totally fine. It looked a little thinner than some of the other buildings on the property, but yeah, I don't know, it looks good to me. So no more wet up.
No more wet up, sir.
Uh-huh. And I know you mentioned you're maybe going to do something else around here. What were you thinking of doing?
Let's put on the veranda.
Yeah.
You know, yeah, I don't have fear. Are you not me? You?
Not me, oh, it'd be.
Yeah, because you, because remember I say, so man, remember look. So man, I told before I'm like 8 sheet, 9 sheet, about 7 million one zinc first.
Like MOKKO's place over there.
Yeah, like 9 sheet of zinc.
9? That
Yeah.
much to
Yeah,
do a
man.
veranda?
Yeah, man.
Even if it's just going out like 6 foot or whatever?
Yeah, man, more the rain here.
Uh-huh.
Look.
Yeah.
More
Get the rain away from the house.
Yeah. Then that the rain come in, look. So the rain do the door, look.
Oh, you can see some...
Yeah.
Oh, it's running down it. Yeah, you don't want that.
Yeah, no.
Possible.
I just want, I'm like, do that fun.
Yeah, like you guys got it out a little bit further, but... Yeah, I don't know, MOKKO's porch looks wicked. Or that veranda. Kind of built in though, but...
Yeah, because I can't come back to Jamaica now, I can't stay for here, so. Have a beer. So sit down on the veranda.
Have some red stripes right over here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I can picture that. Nice little porch shown here. And you got the full-on concrete floor down. The other place didn't have it all the way.
Yeah.
How many bags of concrete is that to do a whole floor in this space?
Like, how much about cement you gonna place that? I mean, if you buy cement again, if you buy cement from my mother, do that. The man gonna know explain to you, Matthew.
Yeah.
The man gonna know nothing. The man gonna do nothing. Every minute. Red works to the ground, red works. Man gonna do nothing. I just say money you want every minute. Every minute, money.
People like to get paid for work, yeah.
I see anything, man. Money. It works, so.
Yeah.
And take a stop in slow.
That's construction though, man. They say every time it's slow. It takes twice as long as you expect and twice as much money.
You say for a different work, man, get this. Like the man who make the house and put my thing done this now one day, man.
Yeah. What was his
Courtney.
name? Courtney. Yeah, Courtney.
Yeah.
Courtney's the one that built Mokko's house. He's really good.
No. So from that now. The man too slow, yeah, Matthew. The man slow.
Slow motion better than no motion. You got the whole place set up
So
anyway.
from that now.
Now what's up with the sweet potato in front? My lord. Ratty. I'm gonna guess Ratty planted that. Ratty planted all this?
Yeah, one piece the boy plant.
One piece?
One piece.
And it turned into that.
Yeah.
Oh,
What do you think, sir?
I think it looks great. Show me the inside. Let's have a look.
What do you think?
Yeah, man, huge. The best thing I think is the really high ceiling.
Wait. Look. Look there. Come here, tell you.
Yeah. Too old.
To
Gotta get a new one. That's alright. That's easy to sort out in Rent Bay. Let me see the kitchen. That's the wickedest part.
the kitchen.
Yes, sir.
The kitchen.
Yeah. Yeah, the whole back door. Locked.
No.
Let me see that. Yeah, man, you got the whole gas stove, everything. This is nice.
This is nice.
And how much do these go for again?
This?
The gas.
3,000.
3,000. Okay, that's pretty similar to Canada. I think we pay around 2,000. I mean, around $20 to fill up a propane. That looks a little bigger though. Yeah, man, huge ceilings. And these shutters, these are quality. These are just like the ones at Mokko's place. Oh, you're locked in. Whoa. That's a surprise.
Do me I tell you?
What's this from?
Oh, the zinc for the implant there. So they do air dry?
Yeah.
Dry.
Oh, you can see some water's been running down it.
Yeah.
Oh,
We just want, it's a different lock because the man spoil the next lock. Look. Man spoil the next lock.
Oh.
Spoil it.
Well, yeah, is the zinc running enough off in here enough?
Yeah, keep out the water.
Yeah, it could be good further, but
Keep out the water.
this looks like good roofing zinc. This must be a lot more dear though, yeah?
Yeah, they're so expensive.
I bet. Like special for the roof, yeah? Man. Yeah, it looks good. I mean, I guess you could paint it up and it'd be protected anyway. How much dearer are these pieces? I forget how much we paid for the other zinc, but each one of these is probably 5 times the price. Like that's a...
Look, you see them now? Tomorrow they will tell you we have to just paint them.
Yeah, you got extra paint already at the front? I saw that bucket there.
No,
Oh,
that's
it's
done.
Oh, okay.
Where I believe say it's a painting.
How much?
Where I believe say it's a painting.
Yeah.
Where I believe what kind of color?
I don't know. Whatever color you like.
Which color?
I don't know.
Which color you like?
Do a big picture of...
Blue, it painted, those painting are blue.
do a big unicorn on it or something.
Yeah. I know me, I go paint it as a young guy. I go paint it.
Draw a picture from She Bitch.
Oh yeah. She bitch. She bitch.
Nah. Do a big painting of Army of Darkness, the guy with the chainsaw going.
Oh.
Really wicked. Yeah, I don't know, whatever you like. Sometimes I just go to the paint store and I get whatever's left over that's cheapest, because sometimes you get a bucket that the final piece, they don't have enough for anyone to do a big job, and
So me put in there on the body.
yeah. Your kitchen looks so clean, man. You've been cooking?
No, no.
No?
Was it there? Go back to Jamaica,
Yeah. You buying rice and peas at the shop. Oh man, it looks good. It looks really good.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Hey, there's a goat here.
I don't tell you. You remember then balance wood? Then they go to the wood in the back.
Yeah, I know. They're all Kelly's up in the higher heights area,
Yeah.
grazing up on the mountain.
Oh yeah, it's They say you like the house, yeah?
Yeah, looks awesome. Good upgrade, I'd say. Big time.
Mm-hmm.
Congrats, man.
One thing, the house, yeah. One thing, the house, yeah. Powerful, sir.
Yeah.
Boy, the house that strong.
When are you gonna have a housewarming party? I guess when Corona goes away.
Yes.
Have a bunch of people over for a party.
Are you if you come, see?
Hell yeah. Get some Campari.
Who tell them that if you do?
Yeah.
I make them jump up on the veranda.
Yeah.
Jump up on the veranda. Jump up on the veranda, man.
Maybe make a big veranda then.
Yes.
Wicked.
Prefer to make up the veranda. So the mattress for me, I tell you, say soft. All night, too much wool in it.
Too much what?
Wool.
Mm.
Wool, too much wool in the mattress. Too much wool, it was soft.
Yeah, they get saggy in the middle. No good. Ratty, what happened with all this potato here? It's crazy.
One little potato here, and now they got the whole place.
There you go. That's some good farming right there. Surprise, Coopy, you live on a potato farm. Sweet potato. House is wicked, man. Congrats.
I'm on the low, so